Doesn't my family living trust protect my house from creditors? I often get this question, or it's almost an assumption on people's behalf, that they think, well, I set up a living trust, a family trust, and I put my house into it, transferred title into the trust, so it's protected now, right? And this commonly comes up when people get sued or their business gets sued, and they start hearing that they could potentially come after them and their personal assets. They start getting concerned about, well, no, my house is in my trust. I transferred title, so I'm protected. No, not at all. A living trust is a revocable trust, and the intent of that is for estate planning purposes. It's just similar to a will, it's just a different process. And the trust just says, hey, when I die, I want you to take this asset, give it to this person. Take this asset, give it to that person. Essentially, that's what it's doing. Whether it's your kids, grandkids, spouse. That's what your living trust does. It puts your assets into a bucket and distributes them to who you say you want them to go to. It doesn't provide any kind of asset protection. The trust is a revocable trust, and it's considered by legally as essentially you. It's the same as you personally owning your house. So if somebody sues you, you can't say, it's in a living trust, so it's protected. That doesn't work that way. The only way you get asset protection of a house is to transfer title into a separate legal entity, an LLC, a corporation, a limited partnership, and in some cases, certain trusts, which are considered asset protection trusts, generally because they are irrevocable, meaning they cannot be changed, and they are treated by law as essentially a separate legal entity. Usually they have a separate tax ID number, and they are treated completely separate. It's like you've transferred it out to a completely different legal entity, and you have no control over it.